look at that view. Nice, right? It's the advantage of being in village. So actually in lockdown I was working in Bangalore for quite around 6 months. Then because of internet issues in our village, we were forced to stay there. And after that we got to know, okay, some local vendor is providing the connections, wired connections here. So we applied for it, we got it, and finally we are here in our village. That's called as Sooda. Mela baro. Hey Yako. There's the top point here. So see, beautiful nature around you. It's very nice. And actually to photo shoot during rainy season it's tough. So that's the reason we came when rain was not there. But if it's raining here, to look at the sceneries around, it will be even more beautiful actually. Yeah, just look at there, how nice it is. And actually our next plan is to climb around that part, and the one which I'm showing there, right? Yeah, which I'm pointing there, right? That's the one. So we'll be climbing that and then going to the opposite side where our destination, that is called as Panjarla Pade. The dedicated photographer is trying his level best to capture nice photos of nice memories of these guys here. Okay, now we are going to climb this part actually. So see, you two people are already going, and this small guy Akshay is also running behind them. And yeah, I'm climbing now. Okay. So I hope my mobile will not be gone. Okay, we have some points here. See, she's taking video from there, and yes, we are. And those three boys are always on point, and they have already climbed and they're up there waiting for us. Spot where I need some help, so this guy helped me here. Okay, see how. Okay,
climber.
See from here, even you get very nice view from here. How she's climbing here. Rilin, Jagrata. ಪತ್ತು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿ. Yes, we all are here. So we are going. Look at there. Look them. Look at the beautiful sceneries here. Look around. Isn't it beautiful? And these two girls are always late. They're busy in taking selfies. Again, one more we need to climb here to reach our destination. Yes. So now it's my turn. I'll be going there. Look at here. This view. See. More and more rocks we climb. Actually, we are getting even more nicer views of nature. So see here, we're at the top of this hills and all. And we are worried now because if it rains, it will be tough for us to, walk through this rocks and all. It will be very slippery and all. So we have to be very, very careful here. Look at this. Look at this. So it's the dawn of our Jogi Mata.
Yes, yes.
Correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
ये उधर देखो वहाँ पर एक नदी है.
See how he is talking. उधर देखो, इधर देखो and all. नदी है, वो है, ये है. Location where we were supposed to come. Panjarla Pade. I mean, there's no specific location you can point and say that, okay, this is Panjarla Pade. Look at around and everything is Panjarla Pade. Okay. So, just see here. It's a bit scary, just a bit scary. Okay. Yes, just see here. I'm just scared to go further. I won't go. Okay. See how tall it is, and yeah. I mean, are we going down? I think it will be better if we go down and show the view. It will be good, right? So we can go from there. Okay, they are already on the way. Okay. And see, those two girls are taking photos. Hey, Rilin! Those two girls are taking photos, selfies there. Come on, we'll go down. Come. Just see. Okay, now we are going down, and yeah, this used to be the mining area actually, and now the operations have been stopped. We have come to this level all the way from there. Remember, we were standing there and scared to take pictures or scared to take videos there, and now we are down here. Moving on, we'll explore. Okay, some photo session is going on. Okay, we have some. Okay, we have some mesmerizing view here where see, our photographer is back in action. And this guy is instructing him how to take videos like slow motion, blah blah blah. This chota sa pack is having a lot of expectations from this photographer. It's kind of a lake and people are enjoying here. See, look at this guy. Look at that girl, always on selfies. No, she's capturing videos, I feel. Yes. I just drew 360 degree of this one. What's up, Relin?
Nothing.
Okay, giving some, pose for photographer, and our photographer is here, and our model is here. Actually, we are returning from here to our home now. So basically, I just asked this guy, where is the way here? And he says, we have to make the way for ourselves. See, we don't have proper way here. We have to make way for ourselves. If we go if we go that way where we came, right? So it will be too long for us, and these guys are suggesting some shortcuts. I don't know. How is the shortcut? ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ? See, you have to cross that path, it seems, and where that guy is, you have to go till there, and then we have to get down from there, and then we have to climb there. I mean, where I'm showing, right? Yeah, exactly. To climb there again, and then we have to reach that spot. It looks like a small falls kind of stuff. And I'll show you the look from here. See how beautiful it looks like, isn't it? Now we are back to the spot where we started off. I mean, where we started shooting our videos. So after climbing, I think 3-4 rocks, yeah, we are back here. Pajuba hogana. This guy is not at all giving up. I mean, he has more energy level. And Prajwal, hogana ba.